Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be going through some holiday and special occasion outfits. Originally I had about 5 of them I wanted to show you guys, but I narrowed it down to about 3 that I found actually the most useful and I will actually be wearing this holiday season. So let's get right to it. Okay, so we're starting out with my absolute favorite dress. I have had so many compliments when I wear this dress out, and it definitely deserves the recognition that it's received. It was designed by a friend of mine named Cassandra. It's called the Claudia Dress in forest green. The quality of the material is just unmatchable. It's very thick, warm, very cozy for, you know, fall or winter. Very classy, to be honest. It gives me that kind of 50s vibe. You can move and breathe in it, but it is quite figure flattering with that chunky belt in the middle. Can't be classy for too long. You thought I could do it, but I can't. Moving along to a much harder special occasion outfit. It doesn't fit the way that it did last year, but honestly I like how it cinches in my waist. It's quite petite, but it works, you know, I can get it on. I like the length, and I haven't found a romper that I found that just hugs me in the right places, so I do recommend it still, especially maybe for you know, a night out with friends or family where you just want to get a little dressed up. I think it's really appropriate in that kind of setting. Of course, for all these looks I am using my Pretty Little Thing stiletto heel. They're actually more comfortable than you think they would be, but yeah, they're quite cute. See, you can tell that it's a bit tight in the waist there, but that's alright. That wide leg is hard to find in such a figure-flattering romper, so still on my list. And we're bringing it back to the green. I am obsessed with green for the holiday and special occasion seasons. This one particularly is from Pretty Little Thing, and it's from their shapewear collection. I was a little intimidated to purchase it at first because the models were so curvy, but it's actually a lot more wearable than I think. It just cinches a little bit more at the waist than I think the average dress would, and gives your booty a bit more breathing room. But I love the material and I would definitely suggest it. 10 out of 10. Almost about to fall here and catch myself again after that. There we go, woohoo! And that's all, folks. So thank you so much for watching, and happy holidays to you and yours. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like and comment on this video. I love you. Take care.